Hangkai जों tabuk exercise 6.1 खायलायनाय class 9 ni chapter 6 measuring space perimeter and area ni the first question जों नायमानो o jagao first question tam saka first question saka the perimeter of a circle perimeter circle ni rijak tongo sungno 44 centimeter tak sung bini radius tiklainani what is its radius tiklainani ngai sung bono bahai ke solve khainai yang naidik exercise 6.1 ni question number 1 o sung first sungno je given tongo je given tongo amo sung ma sinai given o sintam tong perimeter of circle perimeter of circle equal to 44 centimeter hangkai sungno radius tiklai dinsau hangkai sung to find tam find khain nangnai radius of circle hangkai sung bini solution bahai khainai sungno radius find out khaidi hinsau hangga sung radius saimi hangga bono sung je kunu kaisa sung maromnai bahai ke sinai let the radius of circle be tamo small r centimeter hanai romnai hangkai sung norok mo figure draw khai phuno gana mongkha circle mongkha bini center mongkha bini radius hingkai sungno tam khai given tong sungno given khai tongo bini perimeter mane o circle ni o je boundary bo busuk lok bini boundary busuk lok o khai sungno rijak tongo hi perimeter of circle hingkai sung tam khai tiklaina nangma khai sung bini radius tiklaina nangma khai sung radius tiklaina mo obo je radius tiklaina I hope norok mo clear wngkhana hingkai sung tao radius no bahai ke tiklainai hingkai sung first let the radius of circle be r centimeter hanai romkha hingkai sungno je given dijak bono sung use khainai sungno tam given ri perimeter of circle hingkai sung sinai now perimeter of circle equal to 44 rijak hingkai sung oro implies that perimeter of circle ni tam formula 2 pi r equal to 44 hingkai perimeter of circle ni jaga sung tamo put khaike 2 pi r because bini formula 2 pi r hingkai sung no jaga o left side o naidi norok left side o rijak tongo pi ni bagui sungno 22/7 use khai hinsau hingkai sung yang o rinai right side o tamo 2 into pi ni jaga 22/7 into r equal to 44 hingkai left side o sung o je 2/22 no multiply khaike 44/7 into r wngkha hingkai sung left side ni 44/7 no rohonai right side o hingka left side o tam simi tongsinai radius simi tongnai hingka right side o puila no 44 puila no tongo right side ni 44 no sikya amon pore sung left side ni jodi 7 no jodi sung yang naro rohonani hingka hingkai bo tola o tongmani साकाव ओङै थानाय मखाय साका तंमानि तलाव फायनाय 44 गांखाय तामनाय 44 by 44 kaisa kai saka kaisa kai tola borok cancel ngai thanai ge tam tongsinai 7 simi tongsinai gai sin radius ni value jeng tam mangkha 7 cm gai hence radius of circle is 7 cm. I hope norong bujikhana jeng tabuk question number 2 o thalainai bono jeng bahai ke solve khainai gai rijak tongo calculate khaidi hanai tamno jeng calculate khainai up to 3 significant figures means decimal operation tinta decimal tinta figure mane rangnai gai jeng tam rijak tong calculate circumference of circle circumference of circle no calculate khaidi hanai sao first case okay radius 7 second case okay radius 10 third case okay radius 12 okay number 2 case 1 sungno given tamo acha case 1 sini first case okay sungno tam rijak radius given radius of circle equal to 7 cm anga jeng tam decline circumference of circle therefore circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r omosung formula saimano gangka equal to 2 ni jaga 2 pi ni jaga 22 by 7 jeng value bosongmai tanga radius ni jaga o 7 gangka tangnai o 7 saka kaisa tola kaisa anga moimo cancel ngai thanai gai tamsimi tongrok 2 into 22 anga tamkha 44 centimeter I hope abo clear khana amte hekena norok case 2 o sungo tam given tong radius of circle case 2 o sungno radius of circle bosok rijak tong radius of circle rijak tongo 10 cm okay, therefore circumference of circle equal to formula 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius ni jaga 10 riwoi sungor centimeter bracket close khai khata okay ganga tamkha tola to 7 sakao khai tamkha 2 into 22 into 10 centimeter tamkha sakao sungjotono multiply khai kangkai 440 centimeter phayo tak 440 centimeter no divide khai kangkai busuknai 7 6 times rohok angangkai 42 7 2 times rohok angangkai 14 tai 6 ganga decimal 67 8s are 56 tasya 40 gangkai amsuk 62.85 centimeter moi mono divide khai gangkai okay nge taksini case 3 I hope nor case 3 bo khai manai case 3 bo gangkai radius of circle equal to 12 centimeter rijak radius of circle 12 centimeter and therefore circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 12 equal to 44 into 12 divided by 7 equal to Jeff hayo amuno centimeter ang sinaja no calculation khai answer put khai mano Gai tabok sini question number 3 sang nai lenai question number 3 go tam tong question number 3 was sungo saka calculate the length of arc calculate khaji length of arc of circle okay ngano nang ang acha okay number 1 roman 1 tam rijak tong roman 1 tam rijak tong given naide given tongo radius busuk 3.5 centimeter okay iko 3.5 centimeter ka radius nga bongni angle nga busuk 60 degree okay okay angle nosung theta romo theta nga 60 degree nga sungo jaga tam tikhlane length of arc nga sung to formula saimano therefore length of arc equal to bin formula tamo theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r gaw jaga norok bin value put khari bari theta ni jaga 60 divided by 360 into 2 ni jaga 2 pi ni jaga 22 by 7 into radius ni jaga 3.5 bracket close khai centimeter radi okay tang nai 0 by 0 cancel kha 6 sakani 6 by tolani 36 no divide khaganga 1 by 6 phaikya 1 by 6 into 2 by 22 no multiply khake 44 phaikya tola 7 phaikya 3.5 ngesang decimal no nor khanganga 3.5 ni decimal no rong khanganga 35 divided by 10 decimal ni pore kaisa figure mane kaisa number tonga tolao 10 angka decimal ni pore duita number tonga tolao 100 angka tabuk songo jaga 7 by 35 multiplying go 7 5 are 35 thangka gangkai tam tong tai saka tam tong 44 tola tam tong 6 into 10 centimeter equal to amno jodi jeng khai ganga sin busuk phai amno graph khai nei ri 44 no 6 by divide khai di 44 no 6 by divide khai di 6 7s are 42 tai 2 ngaro point rede ngaro 20 6 3s are 18 taisa 2 taisa 0 taisa 6 3s are 18 abo 7.333 kamang thangsinai ta gangke gangke 44 by 6 to divide khai gangke 7.33 divided by 10 centimeter okay 7.33 no divide khai 10 by divide khai 0.733 centimeter phainai ja I hope no buji khana tab khai sing roman 2 khailanai roman 2 khai sing tam given tong radius ke busuk 6.3 or meter rikha borok angle hingangka busuk angle no sung theta romo 120 degree. Okay, therefore length of arc. Length of arc equal to theta by 360 bin formula 2 pi r thajingo saka. Okay, theta ni jagai taungnai 120 or 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 meter ang sinaita. Because the taungnai 0 by 0 cancel, 12 by 36 na divide kagai saka 1 tola 3. Got 1 by 3 into or saka 44 tola 7 into 6.3 no thajine high 63 divided by 10 meter. Okay, yarasung saimano 7 by 63 divide thango. Okay, 7 9 times. Okay, tase on 9 by 3 by divide thango tolani 3 by sakani 9 3 3s are 9. Okay, tam phainai 44 into 3 meter. Okay, busungnai 3 4s are 12 by 1 3 4s are 12 132 meter. Awasini answer ang naita. No buzi khana. Guessing tabuk question number 4 nailai question number 4 tam saka. Find the perimeter. Mane sung perimeter decline tamne of a sector. Perimeter of a sector ma decline. Okay. Perimeter of a sector ma decline. That is the curved portion as well as two straight. Okay. Okay. Of a circle. Of radius is sector angle is. Ganong no tak sector bumti hin. Sector ang hangai. Part of circle. I was some pujan naja hi. I was suppose mo circle nga. Mo kha duita radius. Mo kaisa bini part of circle no sung sector hano. So sung sino jagawon question number 4 4 ni zin is a given no jodi sung diagram wise phunungna nanghanga mo sin center of circle. Mosini radius, mosini part of mohasini arc angha. Guys, so no question number 4 tam saka radius ke 14 cm. More radius 14 cm nai, yang bo 14 cm nai. Hangka gai sector angle 75 degree over 75 degree hanai sa. Guys, so no tam tikla din saka perimeter of a sector. Okay, bracket or is a curved portion no botiklai as well as duita straight portion no botiklai. So jaga sung tam tiklai nang nai. O jaga sung tiklai na thangka hangai tam o mo je o center ne hoito omo busuk lok mono busung consider ma khayo mono busung consider ma khayo tai mo part no bo consider ma khayo. Kasi duita radius to 14 duita radius 14 sing saimano sing just o je kokoi part no simise tiklai na nangnai sing ta tiklai man pore ulo sing addition khairi nai gai sing ta mono bati khai sing find out khainai nai sing noro given tamo given radius equal to 14 cm theta equal to 75 degree. Okay, gangai sungno perimeter of sector. Okay, perimeter of sector. Obo pura perimeter of sector ganga angja nongno thang samane bari khati khlaina equal to radius or duita radius tong radius plus uje sin is a part of circle as a kokoi part amno ganga tam hana namno kha perimeter of arc no e ganga tam kha radius plus nga 2 r kha duita radius kha plus perimeter ganga tam 2 pi r sungdu saimano 2 pi r ya 2 pi r into theta by 360 थाइसिङाव सामा हाय बनो जों theta by 360 नाव पहिला बरि मानो plus theta by 360 into 2 pi r गजा जों भेलु पुट खाइलायसिनाय 2 into 14 plus 75 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 guys जों मनो 2 into 14 2 into 14 खांखाय 28 plus तलानि 7 by साकानि 14 अंका 2 by बो थांका divide थांका 2 गाय ओ साकानि 2 by तलानि 360 ना divide खेके 118 खा तैसा साकानि 2 by तलानि 118 ना divide खेके तलाव 90 degree फैका तैसा साकानि 22 और 22 ना 2 by divide खेके अंका बसुक फाइना 11 फाइना गाय तैसा 19 और 2 by divide खेके 45 फाइना गाय उनका 28 plus तला ताम तंगलो सुसेनी 45 साकाकाय 75 into 11 गाय equal to 28 plus तंगनाय म 45 by 75 सिनी 5 by divide थांनाय 5 9 times 5 ones are 5 5 15 तैसा म 15 by 9 but 3 by divide थांगो 3 3s are 9 3 5s are 15 Saka tamka 5 into 11 dollar 3 get 28 plus saka 55 dollar 3 get mo sung sam khaina thanga kai 28 ni tolao sung 1 romo ga 1 by 3 ni LCM 3 gai first term pai 28 into or 1 by 3 no divide 3 by 1 no divide ke 3 plus Saka tam tong 55 into 3 by 3 no divide khai kai 1 garo 1 rekha no hui disinai guys ini besok phai ka tola 3 saka 28 into 3 besok phai 3 8s are 24 tai 2 84 plus or 55 gamono sakane sam khai kanka 4 5 9 garo khai 8 9 10 11 12 13 gamono sang divide khainai 3 139 no 3 by divide khainga busuk phai 3 4s are 12 3 6 are 18.3.33 थांसिनाय आसो बुसुमो सेंटीमीटर दा मीटर सेंटीमीटर गमनो सिनी जों लास्ट सैमानो hence perimeter of sector equal to 46.333 centimeter हने I hope नरगाम सजरा बुझि खाना जों नेक्स्ट भिडियोआव क्वेश्चन नम्बर 5 खेलायनाय 5 6 7 8 खेलायनाय हामबाय